G'day, here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. It's bordering on semi-crystal, I'd say. It's only on a light base, but there's some nice big pieces in here that I think you should cut some good stones. I'll zoom in. Okay, rules in millimetres there, you can see it's being wetted. Start off with this piece. Like I say, semi sort of crystal material. Nice straight bar up the top there. So you're looking at a stone that's that big, which is, 25 by 20. Wouldn't be surprised if that was off that same piece. See if it fits together. Possibly. Anyway, you can play with that. Looks like a straighter sort of bar there on the bottom. Electric blues. Quite large pieces, a couple other little bits. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. It gives you a good idea, I think, for your money. Cheers.